The person who taught us what success really means, how to behave with people around you. Let's learn some amazing facts about the 44th President of America, Barack Hussein Obama, a member of Democratic Party who served the country from 2009 to 2017. He was born on 4th August 1961. He was born to an American mother, Ann Dunham, and an African father, Barack Obama, in Honolulu, Hawaii, US, making him the first US president who was not born in the other contiguous US states. His parents got divorced in 1964 and his father got killed in an accident in 1982 when Obama was only 22 years old. Dunham got married to an Indonesian guy, Lolo Soetoro, in 1965 and they came to Indonesia. Obama completed his primary schooling in Indonesian language. In 1971, Obama returned to Honolulu to live with his maternal grandparents. Their financial condition was not that good. In his youth, Obama went by the nickname Barry. Obama also talked about using alcohol, marijuana, cocaine during his teenage years to push questions of who he was out of his mind. He completed his graduation from Columbia University in political science with good scores in 1983 and then joined Harvard Law School and completed JD in 1985. He served as a state senator from Illinois from 1997 to 2004 and as a US senator from 2005 to 2008. His mother died in 1995 in Hawaii because of ovarian and uterine cancer. His grandmom died on 2nd November 2008, just 2 days before his election to the presidency. Obama lived with anthropologist Sela Mayosi Jagir while he was a community organizer in Chicago in the 1980s. He proposed to her twice, but he got rejected. In June 1989, Obama met Michelle Robinson when he was employed as a summer associate at the Chicago law firm of Sidley Austin. The couple got married on October 3, 1992. They have two daughters named Malia and Shasha. Obama plays basketball from his school's varsity team and he is a left-handed. In 2005, the Obama family applied the process of a book deal and moved to a $1.6 million US house in neighboring Kenwood. In December 2007, Money magazine estimated Obama's net worth at 1.3 million US on his 2010 income of 1.7 USD. He gave 14% to non-profit organizations. He gave 131,000 US to a charity to help the veterans. Per his 2012 financial enclosure, Obama may be worth as much as 10 million US. On 10th February 2007, Obama first time announced his candidacy. On 4th November 2008, Obama won the presidency and became the first ever American African president of the United States. On 4th April 2011, Obama announced his re-election campaign for 2012. On November 6, 2012, Obama won 332 electoral votes and got re-elected. Obama became the first Democratic president to win the majority of votes twice. On his presidency, Obama did some extraordinary jobs that influenced the whole American population and the rest of the world. He changed the political history of America. He worked for children, healthcare, education system, NASA, the space station, feminism, LGBT rights, healthcare reform, foreign relations, etc. Obama's presidency ended on January 20, 2017, and Donald Trump joined as the following president of USA. On March 2, 2017, the John F. Kennedy Presidential Library and Museum awarded the annual Profile in Courage Award to Obama. Barack and Michelle Obama signed a deal on May 22, 2018 to produce documentary film feature for Netflix under the Obama's newly formed production company Higher Grounds. Its film American Factory won the Academy Award for Best Documentary Feature in 2020. A package that contained a pipe bomb was sent to Obama's home in Washington, D.C. on 24 October 2018. Similar packages are sent to several other leaders, mostly who voiced strong objections to the policies of Donald Trump and Scott. On 26 October 2018, Casey Sayek, who was already imprisoned for 48 years before in relation with pipe bomb, and jailed again for 20 years. On 9 October 2009, the Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to Barack Obama for his extraordinary efforts to strengthen international diplomacy and cooperation between people. This legend told us how we can overcome all the struggles we have now with patience, determination, honesty, and kindness. Financial condition, rejections, political issues, this really does not matter. And Mitchell taught us how a wife could be a guide to his husband throughout his life, whether his financial condition is good or not. A very happy birthday to this legend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.